KSA Dongmukak Head Branch organized 2 months free coaching for class 10 students. Organizations protest against the third farm bills in Dipu. Third Langkai Festival celebrated at Lumbajong MEC constituency.
Good morning, viewers. Myself, Malin Timungpi, brings you today's news updates.
KSA Dongmukak Head Branch has organized a 2 months free coaching for class 10 students at Sildharampur English High School at Sildharampur in Dongmukak. The student body has organized the free coaching to benefit the Karbi students who will be appearing in the forthcoming high school living certificate examination and improve the overall pass percentage in the exam. Sildharampur KSA Head Branch President Pangson Teron, Secretary Mirlong Teron, Sarbinong Teron, Dongmukak KSA Head Branch Secretary Himanta Timung and several members of the student body are behind this free coaching program. Sildharampur English High School principal and several other teachers are also actively contributing in the program. Public of the area have appreciated the initiative of the student body. Members of the student body have also informed that interested students can get themselves enrolled in the free coaching program. Anand Bey from Votungaji, 365 News India.
Non ilitum la than bang aphan ethethini pen ini karbi ponsi chithik pon la salang li pia subject ni nali non dak than bang pe
Nili science thanik dom alang tum science chali long le pin lo pusi karjulo pasi ningdup pen kanghon pen ni thanun than bor ilok anma kabar un pe lasi ko anma kabar un la si langdet ponon tam ke a porta a vipin lo pot lasi lang ko student han pabuji phan bor ipik lo nili bang anta student tum da bor icha nam ko la so teng ko lo te a question answer ta pi bom lo lasi bor ibom lo no no ko ke
ini nali ka chithi ke chedang do mala syllabus pata la non exam aphan la 21 aphan
exam non exam phan ma ka chisi ke chedang ke ladak school pan alang tum syllabus ang pilo la so teng sini padam thor ko so teng kan sin papor ibom
non ke kon chapter nali pa ke than tang ke
non ke than tang ma chapter thi tan pot non ke chapter
Peng la athe aprang ben dalil tumta matha dunlo sita asabu nil tumta ke matha dun tong thek thelo la bangke la sinon un an la lockdown ta phota pho loklo la pen la corona vur jum put joini la sinil tum karbilo charlie song hin ben stami un an la ke charlie so marhan ke chera pe che tu dun je phan nil tum KSA hin ben stami bor idun lo la pen son thak thak bor idun bompo ke wang jilang long stami la pen isi nil tum karbilo charlie song pen ko chuning ridun kang tu la free coaching along kumama jongsi nang charlie dunji ning hang atumdu liputangte nilitum dak Sildharampur High School long se pathek ponolasi wangtami nilitum lo charlie song hen pen ke kaiketa welcome lo lasi ning hang hang toman ke wangnoi pusiniltum karbil lo charlie song pen pangdak ponlo.
Three farmer organizations Karbi Anglong Kisan Shramik Sabha, All India Central Council of Trade Union and Karbi Anglong Nirmal Shramik organized a Kisan Solidarity Protest Dharna against the Third Farm Bills 2020 in front of Samson Singh Ingti Memorial Park in Dipu on Tuesday. Karbi Anglong CPI-ML Secretary Robikar Phangcho, Longkiram Tokbi, KAKISS, AICCTU Secretary Samson Kiling, Amlong Ingti, KSA President Simeon Rongphar and several leaders and members of AIPWA, SYJ, KNCA, RYA, AJD and AISA also participated in the protest. The organizations came down heavily on the BJP, who is currently in power in the district, state and the center, for completely ignoring the sentiments and demands of the farming community of the country and forcefully passing the controversial farm bills. The protesters shouted slogans calling the Modi-led BJP government anti-farmers government. The organizations have demanded the rolling back of these bills at the earliest. Deporam Kathar from Dipu for 365 News India.
Bharat det piangda je farmer bill, farm bill jitu ke thom, farm bill Jasimet pet number isia bangke je labangso moni rutum kereng eji aphan kechu kijun ahormu sang ben chenglok dali jangthu lapente kechu ahormu alu pias rosun ben chenglok penangan kechu ahormu mokha bangke essential commodity salong puri re pusi laso akrihi aina long pilo sonia bangke labangso krihok ato aphan sai ke chutikiwe ato aphan labangso hormu ke chojor ador koan longi malong lema bangke corporate tum ben chengwaisi ladaga bangke sarkar tum hat avelo labangke corporate tum aphan labangso hormu hortara dor a bangke thik pon po pusi pulo sonthom alam the puthaga bangke bangso krihok atum mate farmer atum aphan jitu alanglitum kepaklang katiki pen kelong hormuan labangso kejor longia bangke bangso free market along tin along si labangke chojor long po pusipulo.
The third Langkai Festival was celebrated at Kangbura Bay Village in Lumbajong MAC constituency on Monday. Langkai Festival Central Committee President Moheswar Teront and General Secretary Sar Im Tisol led the celebrations. MAC Darsing Ronghang, KSA General Secretary Thansing Timung and Lumbajong VDC Chairman attended the program. The public of the area have submitted a memorandum to KAAC CEM Tuliram Ronghang through MAC Darsing Ronghang demanding the construction of roads, construction of drinking water facilities, construction of houses under PMAYG, border outposts and distributions of land parcels. Speaking on the occasions, KSA President Thansing Timung said that education is must for the upliftment and development in the area. Therefore, he appealed to the students of the area to focus on their education and urged the parents to look after their children properly and keep an eye on their activities. MAC Darsing Ronghang assured the public of handing the memorandum to CEM Tuliram Ronghang and to work on their demands at the earliest. He also announced to initiate development schemes in the areas at the earliest and also distribute land parcels to those whose land do not fall under wildlife areas. Several competitions and activities filled the day-long celebrations, which concluded with a cultural event in the evening. Deboram Kathar from Dipu for 365 News India.
Pininge ke thomang deng lo lasi keceng si an kan benta elitum karbeng lo Thomas Konsela CM alang lidak nang cetong nun bom pininge ke thomang deng pining bang alang li kenang sot akam kaprek dokok maseng cetong nun de lo sitame dakarat atum aning ke hangason aprang benta citham cing mum nun bom elitum CM pen asoteng si alang li ta penang non klem pipon bom lo asinon elitum theglong lo tawar salam pi bom lo lapen elitum dak ahawar ta penang an adon arong pen ringwel ki pon ta dulu rata non nang cethan lo dak songja putum ta nang cethan lo long bom lo pusipu lapen hemso pen ceng lok toilet kadaweta long bom lo lapen non ladak water harvesting lahakam anda klem pi pon bom lo asinon ke wangji ta non puki la tuar black mane black topping la kuri pinangji klem pinangji pusi ang tumang handun lo lata chok vegi ke chok chedaji alam masih ave la pendak medical sub center lata chok vegi nilitum ning chethe ilitum siam phan la alang li klem vegi asilahai kado ave kam nang ke hang nuna son dadu lasika do eta tang la longle pota putha ke joy ke penitum pidet long je polo sedaminon hiniang deng dak asap o kasik sak dokok lo isibangela kes dokok ladak hawa long kes dokok high court long kes dokok lo asua chu la mumchai daman dak pen ke plung kado we hut pen si ke charbu dokok pen kes dokok lo la sila sobangi hong chat nang la ako la pen wildlife sanctuary declared lo sitame angdeng mane ahima he boundary makhanon ta elitum chini dak delang asi la so lama joine pen asap elitum kota bang hong chat nang kok.
Dear viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.